Namaste children. In our previous session we learned how to factorize algebraic expressions. Okay, today we are going to continue with the concept. Now look at the third sum. Factorize the following expressions using, they are giving you the formula itself. Okay, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. They are giving you the identity formula and asking us to solve. Now look at the second subdivision. 2a cube plus 16 is the question. You have to factorize. And for factorization, they have given the formula as well. So it is easy, right? You are going to convert it to a cube plus b cube. That is our only thing here, okay? For that, first you are taking the 2 out. Okay, when you are taking the 2 out, it will become a cube plus 8. Now this 8 can be converted to 2 power 3. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So therefore you can write it as 2 cube. Now the format has come a cube plus b cube. Then you are going to substitute it in the formula. Here first you have to write a is equal to, the value of a is a only and b is 2. Okay, you are going to substitute it. Here it is a plus b and then a square minus ab plus b square. You are going to substitute in the formula. And this value 2 should be kept here itself. Okay. So 2 into a plus b. A value is a plus b will give us 2. And then a square. Value of a square is a power 2. And then minus a into b. A into b is a into 2 will give us 2a. So minus 2a plus b square. B square is 2 power 2. So it is written as 4. Okay. So the factors are a plus 2, a square minus 2a plus 4. These are the factors of the given question. Okay. Now same way, look at the first subdivision and tell me how you will solve. Directly they have given you h cube plus k cube. So it is in the format a cube plus b cube, right? So the value of a is h here and the value of b is k here. So the answer will be a plus b, first substitute h plus k. Okay, and then a square is h square minus ab hk. H into k will give us h into k or kh anything, and then plus b square. B square is k power 2. So this is the factor of the first question. Clear? For this type of sum, they have given you the formula, so no need to mug up this formula. We have learned 7 formulas, right? This is the another one formula in that cubic identity. Since they have given you, directly you can convert it to that expression and then find the factors. Now the next sum. X cube y cube plus 27. So already x and y is there in the form of cube. So how can you convert this 27 to a cube format? Can you write it as 3 cube? So 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. And this one can be written as xy the whole cube. Anything has the same value, right? So if you are taking it as a common one outside also, it will be mentioned as x cube y cube only. Now the value of a should be taken and written separately, that is xy, and the value of b is 3 here. Okay, now we are going to substitute this in the formula, that is a cube plus b cube. Now we are substituting and then writing a is xy and b is 3. So xy plus 3 and then a square value is xy square. So xy the whole square or x square y square minus ab. Ab is xy into 3, that is 3xy plus b square. B value is 3. So we are writing it as 3 power 2, or you can write it as 9. Okay. This is how we are going to factorize using a cube plus b cube format. Okay children. Now the next exercise we have few more sums, that is miscellaneous problems. Find the simple interest of on rupees 5a square b square for 4ab years at 7b% per annum. Last year we did these sums, right? But we had whole numbers, that is 1000 rupees will be there, and we will be asked for this much of years how much interest we should calculate. Now here they have given you with some variables. Nothing is going to change. The same format. First you have to write the principal amount value and then value of n. The number of years is the number of n here, okay. Now, it is 4AB. And then percentage, whatever is in the percent, we should consider it as the rate, okay. So, R is equal to 7B%. To find SI, what is the formula? Simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. Very good. For those who have recollected the formula spontaneously, very good. Okay, now we are going to substitute the value of P, N and R. Okay, shall we substitute? So 5A square B square into 4AB into 7B divided by 100. Okay, and then we are going to simplify. First, shall we cancel this 4 and 100? So it will go 25 times. And then cancel this 25 and 5 times. Okay, then what we will do? The next step is you have to simplify and write. So in the denominator 5 is there, you should not forget it. Then again we can see the same variables, right? So A square is here and A is here. What did we learn in previously? If it is same base, we can, and it is in multiplication, we can add its powers, right? So A square into A will give us A power 3. So A power 2 plus 1. Same way B power, here 1 2 is there, and B power 1 and again B power 1. So we are going to add everything. And into 7. In the denominator 5 is there. So the answer will be A cube into B power 4 into 7 divided by 5. This is the SI value. Clear, children? For homework, you will solve these two sums, okay? We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, children.